So let's see how we can make the main menu mobile first. First, I'm gonna open the header.php, and here I'm going to add a div. We're gonna add a class called mobile menu. We can target this with CSS. Then we're gonna add an anchor, and at the moment we're gonna keep the href empty. Class mobile, so we can target this with CSS. And inside I'm going to add an icon. See in Font Awesome, we're gonna use FA bars, and we're gonna add right here menu. So you can save this and reload, and now you can see that we have this menu, and it has this hamburger menu, the hamburger icon, really popular when you have a menu in HTML. So when I make this smaller, I want to display each element in the menu one above the other, and they stack above the other one. And we're gonna add a media query right here. We're gonna add media only screen and min width 666 pixels. And we're gonna place this right here. So we can save this and reload. Now you can see that they are stacked below the other ones. And when I make this bigger, you can see that they take the same width. So it's looking better, I think. And the other thing that I wanna make is to add right here display none. So when I make this in the smaller version, the menu doesn't show up. When you click here, it's going to be showing the menu. And if I make this bigger, I want to display the menu right here. So we're gonna create another media query right here. And we're gonna copy this and paste right here. Here we're gonna add display. It's going to be display block. So we can save this and reload. Now you can see that the menu is being printed. And if I make this smaller, you can see that the menu is hidden. So this is looking better. So we need to style the menu, the button that we have here. And let's add some CSS. We're gonna add right here a comment, says responsive menu button. And right here you can see that we added the div mobile menu, so we can copy this and add mobile menu. Then the anchor, and we're gonna add a height of 40 pixels, so this will be bigger. Then we're gonna add a background color, and the background color is going to be the same that we have here in the border, the same red color. Now you can see it's looking better. We're gonna add a width of 100%, reload. And also we're gonna add a display block. So now it's looking better. And we're gonna add a color, and the color is going to be white for the text and the icon. It's looking better. Then we're gonna center the text. We're gonna text align center right here. It's looking better. This will center the text horizontally. We need to center this vertically. You can see that I added a height of 40 pixels. We can add a line height of 40 pixels also. And this will center the text horizontally and vertically. You have to make sure that if you wanna use the line height using the same value as the height, this will only work when you have only one line of text. So next we're gonna add a text decoration none, so I can remove the underline. Okay, I can see it's looking better. We're gonna add a font size, maybe 20 pixels, so we have a bigger text. And we're gonna make this uppercase. So we're gonna text transform, uppercase. Now it's looking better. And I'm gonna copy this font family. We're gonna replace that in the next video. Now you can see it's looking better. Maybe in the next 2 videos, I'm gonna show you how to add a Google font. So this is looking great. If I make this bigger, you can see that the button is being printed also. So we're gonna add this inside a media query. But you can see that here we're using min width. We're gonna change this a little. We're gonna place this inside a max width. It's going to be 767. So let's make this, let's indent this and save this and reload. Now you can see that the menu is not being added. You can see that the menu is right here. The styling is not working. If I make this smaller, you can see that the styling is right here. So finally we need to add something like another media query, something like this. And we're gonna paste right here. And I want to hide this, so we're gonna display none. So let's save this and reload. You can see that the button is being removed, and if I make this smaller, you can see that the button is right here. So when I want to click here on the menu and show the items in the menu, so we are gonna need some jQuery for this. It's going to be easier with jQuery. So in the next video, we're gonna write some jQuery code to make this work.